After a 4-year absence, the MXGP World Championship is back in Bulgaria. In MX2, Prado finished the round in Switzerland with the same 28-point lead as when he arrived. He has the points advantage, but Jonas rode this track back in 2012 for the FIM Junior World Championship, so maybe this could work in his favour and keep the current title defender in the championship fight. In MXGP, Cairoli won the overall the last time we were here back in 2014. However, whilst pushing the limits in Switzerland, he fell, losing valuable championship points in race 1. But what could be more worrying is that he was far from 100% in race 2 and since then had to run some tests. The only home hero this weekend is Petr Petrov, and I'm sure he's going to be looking to impress and get his best result in his rookie MXGP season in front of his home fans. Welcome to Sevlievo for the MXGP of Bulgaria, the 17th round of the FIM Motocross World Championship. And don't forget to subscribe and follow all of our social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube for all the latest news and results. So enjoy the races and have a fantastic weekend.